Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share some easy and powerful ways to learn English. You can start easy your English journey with me. Subscribe my channel. Let's go. Many people think learning English is difficult, but the truth is, it can be simple and enjoyable if we change our way of thinking. The first thing to remember is this: don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a small step towards success. When a baby learns to walk, it falls many times, but it keeps trying. Learning English is the same. Don't stop because of fear or shame. Be proud that you are trying. Now, let's talk about some easy ways to learn. The first way is to listen. Listen to English everyday songs, movies, short videos, or podcasts. You don't have to understand every word. Just listen and let your ears get used to the sound of English. Slowly, you'll start understanding more and more. The second way is to read simple things in English. You can read small articles, children's stories, or news headlines. When you read, your mind learns new words and sentence patterns without much effort. Reading just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. The third way is to speak. Even if you are not perfect, speak with your friends, your family, or even with yourself in front of a mirror. You can also record your voice and listen to it. Don't wait for the right time or perfect grammar. The more you speak, the more confident you become. The fourth way is to write a few sentences every day. It could be a short diary, a message, or your thoughts. Writing helps you organize your ideas in English. It's a powerful way to improve both speaking and thinking in English. Another easy way is to use English in daily life. Change your phone to English, read signs in English, or name things around you like door, window, cup. These small things make your brain think in English all the time. And remember, learning English is not about age or talent. It's about practice and attitude. Many people say, "I'm too old to learn." That's not true. You are never too old to learn something new. If you believe in yourself, you can do it. So my message today is simple. Listen, read, speak, write, and never give up. If you do these things every day with love and patience, one day you will surprise yourself. You will understand English movies, speak with confidence, and feel proud of your journey. Thank you so much for listening. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself.